Hi, welcome to another beautiful video of Tech Tree Dragons. So we are launching our 6th vlog. Today we are going to introduce you the new Moto C Plus handset from Motorola from Lenovo. So speaking about the handset, the Moto C Plus is a budget phone which arrived in the Indian market by 2017 towards the last of the 2017 year, and this device actually costs about 6,900 Indian rupees, and the handset configuration mainly is of it comes with a power battery of 4000 milliamp, and the screen size of this handset is 12.7 cm, that is relatively about 5 inches of screen, and it sports a quad-core processor, and that's too from the Snapdragon processor family. There is a 450 series of the Snapdragon that you can get, and the front camera sports a 2 megapixel basic camera variant, and the rear camera is about 8 megapixel. So these are the basic configurations. So if you are planning to purchase one phone to a beginner who is not yet used any smartphones, or you are giving a gift to your mother or someone, or old age people who is a beginner in the smartphone section, you can easily go and buy this Moto C Plus to your dear ones or parents, or one who is starting the smartphone as a beginner. So we can jump into the further details of the device. Okay, so we are unboxing this box. So as you can see, we can see the device here. It's actually unboxed earlier, but for the sake of this video I have again placed it into the box which I have purchased. So the device looks very handsome, as you can see, and it is very easy to hold in your hand also. It's a very ergonomically perfectly designed Motorola device as the earlier Motoros, and there is one thing which is missing. That is, earlier there is a fingerprint or a finger notch is here, which is helping us to balance the device in the hand. This time they don't have that much ridges over there, so we just need to just put the hand there, but still they are keeping that. So this is a rear camera, as you can see. That is a dual focus rear camera. That is where it comes with the 8 megapixel camera, and here one specific thing which I would like to mention about this Moto C Plus is that the front camera sports a flash also for the selfies. So you will get a flash over the front camera for the selfies. So let me boot up this device. Before that, I'll show you what else is in the box. So like that, you will get the menu for this Moto C Plus as normal, and they are providing this standard normal standard headsets, and there is no much more to say about this headset. And that's all about this box. Let's keep this aside, and we will boot up the device right now. Okay. So as you can see, the normal Motorola logo is coming. It's beautiful logging that the Motorola company is giving for their, and now some animations and also all things. So such funky ideas they keeping still also. So it's powered by Android 7, I think. So it's booting up.
Hello, Moto.
As you can see that it's showing so many animations and also the videos. So it's a beautiful boot up. As you can see, it's a very warm welcome while one person is opening or booting up the device. So the Lenovo right now, the parent company for Motorola, they have acquired Motorola. So this is the launch screen. So let me. And another thing which I would like to tell is that this device does not come with a fingerprint scanner or any kind of such kind of advanced features as you can see in the devices which comes around 10,000 or 10,000 plus around of a price range. So this is a normal device which comes for 6,500 or that range of money. So I'll unlock this device. So this is the customized home screen which is created by the user, which is using right now. So this comes with the stock Android experience. As you can see, the list view is here. This is not the page by page view, or the swiping is only the list view top to bottom, and we can go and check the OS right now. So it's Android 7, as you can see. It supports in Nougat. It's Android 7 version of the operating system is currently unboxed right from the box. We are getting that Android 7 operating system for this phone. So this comes with a pre-installed FM radio, and there is file manager, and there are some pre-installed applications and Google basic applications will be able to get in this phone. And the display, regarding the display, it's very nice display. It's an IPS LCD, and the brightness and the contrast ratios are very good while we are using, and the performance is also very good, and it's very snappy while searching the webs and other applications. And the RAM comes with the 2 GB of RAM this is having. So there are so many useful and hand nifty features which the Motorola is providing to the budget phone that you are getting. But still, when it is comparing to the Redmi or Xiaomi Redmi phones, this with the same configuration or with the same price range, they are providing a little bit more than Motorola, that what they are giving for this price. But still, Motorola is for this price range, I think Motorola can give a much more like that of Xiaomi Redmi range of phones. But anyway, this is a very fast and decent power consumption phone, which you can use, which you can buy from the market for this around 7,000 rupees, and this will not disappoint the users while using for their daily purposes. And the battery backup is very well contained, and you don't have to worry about the battery backup. That's much about this Motorola C Plus handset device. So other than that, we don't have to check for the camera. I know it's a 8 megapixel. It's a pretty decent camera. We don't have these times of cameras with 12 megapixel, 30 megapixel camera, or 20 megapixel cameras right now. We don't have to worry about. So it's as you can see, the camera is pretty fast. Even the processing time is not so that much. So it's also a very good responsive interface that they have provided for this camera also. So that's pretty much about this Moto C Plus. And front camera is 2 megapixel. I don't want to show that right now because there is no. And one more thing which I would like to say: the speakers and the volume rockers and the speakers. It's already positioned in the universal positions, that is towards the right side of the handset. That, as you can see, there is a volume rocker and there is a power button, and there is this brushed effect on this power button, which is very good while holding or pressing the button. So it feels a grip on while pressing this button. And as you can see, there is one difference, is that the USB charging, 3.5 USB charging is towards the top of the device, and the 3.5 mm jack, headphone jack is as normal. It's provided on the top of the device, and the speaker sports towards the back side of this device. So regarding the speaker, talking about the speaker, we can show you. I'll just play some music or something, so we can listen to that. Let me try if something is available. So I'll play some Ajit Singh songs. Atif Aslam is here. We will go for Atif Aslam. Right now it's trying to play from the Google Play Music. That's why it's streaming right now. That's why the song is not yet ready. Let us wait. You can see that the display is very crisp and clear, and the brightness ratio and everything is very good. And actually the brightness is not so that much. So this is the lowest brightness for this device. So then also the viewing angles and everything is very good. Yeah. This is the full volume. So there is a problem when you are placing this phone downwards, facing the speaker downwards, as usual, the sound will not be that much. If you are placing like this, the sound is more than enough, I think. It's a very decent speaker that you are getting from this phone. So that's it for the Moto C Plus handset, which is a budget-oriented smart set, which is presented by Motorola and Lenovo together in the Indian market for the year of towards the 2017 year end. And this is a pretty much decent phone as per my experience. So I would suggest, if anyone would like to purchase a phone within under the 10,000 range, you can go easily and purchase this device because it provides a very decent power backup as well as a decent camera. Basic camera it is, but for the beginners of the smartphone, they can use this phone and they will be very much satisfied, and they can start with this. And Android experience is very stock Android experience is provided by the Motorola as usual. So the build quality is also very good, and that's it about the Moto C. I think this video will be helpful for everyone. And if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, that is Tech Tree Dragons. Click the like button towards the below of the video. That will help us to upload this kind of useful videos again. So that's it. Thank you. Bye for now. Bye.